I think about what inspiring a better healthcare system means to me, I think that we are doing something in an industry that's typically pretty slow to adapt technology, to adapt new ways of doing things, and we're not accepting that. We're saying, look, we got to do something about this. We got a new product, we got a new service for you, and we are changing the status quo and saying, look, this can be done. We can move things to the cloud. We can make things quicker. We don't have to wait so long for this to occur. And I see that in my own job. We're moving stuff to the cloud. We're taking a very, very old, outdated application and throwing it up in the cloud and redesigning it and saying, well, there is a better way to do this, and there's a cheaper way to do this, and it's quicker, and it's scalable. And so that's how I see myself changing the healthcare system, and I think it's really cool, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
I'm proud to inspire a better healthcare system by believing in what Change Healthcare is doing for our clients and employees. Include All is inspiring to know that each of us is different and still accepting at Change Healthcare. I'm inspiring a better healthcare system by believing in Be Agile as Change Happens, by helping our implementation analyst team to achieve their goal of making sure our payers are correctly implemented. Working closely with the Dev and QA team, we're making a smooth transition for our clients.
To me, inspiring healthcare system means establishing a customer-centric application or a platform with focus on performance, better user experience, and quality using the latest market technologies. NextGen is exactly the same, which suits all these features. And from the quality side, we have already leaned towards DevOps. So for every deployment in QA or CERT, we have automation scripts triggered and the defects are captured earlier. Apart from that, we do performance testings for any major release and solutions. Additionally, we have also automated complex areas in the settlement and disbursement as well. Thank you.
When considering what inspiring a better healthcare system means to me, helping others comes to my mind. I enjoy helping others, and I take great pride in the work that I do. Whether it be helping a client understand why they've received a payer rejection, a rejection from CNDA, or even assisting them in creating a unique edit to meet their needs, the client remains in the forefront of my mind. The purpose of edits, of course, would be to assure that the client's claims contain all the pertinent information necessary to provide two important things: a clean claim for the payer and a quicker payment turnaround for the provider. In order to do this, I have to have a good understanding of the payer's requirements or the client's request, and I have to create that edit in a manner that verifies the data content requirement of the payer or the actual request of the client. Writing a rejection message that clearly indicates what data is missing or invalid, and making sure that help text narrative is written in a way that will assist the provider in making a quicker resolution. Finally, testing the edit to verify it's working as intended and it meets the expectation of the client and or the payer. Making the provider's job easier by doing my job well is how I believe I live out what inspiring a better healthcare system means to me. Thank you.
As we all know that the Change Healthcare is one of the biggest healthcare technology company, which connect to more than 5,000 hospitals and over 800,000 physicians. It is very important for us that how we keep providing better healthcare solutions and support to our customers. What it means for me inspiring a better healthcare system is by providing value-based, cost-efficient and secure healthcare system to our customers, which can help them to provide better patient care solutions. As a quality engineer team, we should maintain the quality standards of the products, providing on-time deliverables and the continued customer support. In PBPS Print, we are committed to provide on-time deliveries to customer requests. We ensure that the product is as per the software quality standards and we provide defectless healthcare solutions to our clients. I'm glad that I'm a part of the Change Healthcare, inspiring a better healthcare system. Thank you.
You play a very crucial role within our healthcare environment today. May you be within the team of MCDS with payment distribution. You help handle millions of transactions a month. May you also work with the Federal Technologies team out of California. You actually assist in the communication between millions of healthcare providers throughout the world, along with TRICARE beneficiaries. May you also work with the PBPS team, may it be patient statement or smart page system. You make a significant impact within our healthcare today. Together, we are Change Healthcare.
What does inspiring a better healthcare system mean to me? It means providing our customers with excellent products and services that fit their business needs, as well as helpful and knowledgeable support of these products. I feel like in my role as a business systems analyst, I contribute to inspiring a better healthcare system by providing additional knowledge, changing and maintaining systems as needed or requested by customers or for compliance requirements, working on and providing additional services and features to our customers with our new customer self-service portal and our smart communications platform enterprise solution. I also contribute to inspiring a better healthcare system by working with our internal teams so they can provide exceptional support to our customers.
Inspiring a better healthcare system, according to me, is about making a difference in people's health and well-being. Things like ensuring that members have right access to benefits, ensuring satisfactory levels of care is provided, ensuring the right expertise and right reimbursements are provided for members. Basically, anything that would help improve the lives of individuals and communities by making healthcare work better. CR team, clinical review team, where we mostly work on projects with the key goal to optimize the performance of health plans that work with us. We do this by integrating steps involved in revenue and quality management processes. In terms of individuals impacted, in all, we deal with more than 20 million plus health plan members. And many health plans typically utilize multiple vendors for managing different key elements like, say, member retention, risk adjustment, quality measures, care management, eligibility and enrollment, and compliance. So what our CR team does is fully integrate these processes to optimize revenue opportunities and create member centricity. In a nutshell, we solve various business problems in healthcare space centered around payers, providers, and members. As far as my job as a business analyst is concerned, what gives me extreme amount of satisfaction is the fact that I get to be part of the whole journey of problem-solving process, right from identifying the true business problem with right stakeholders and working with my IT teams in building, design, and solution, all the way till implementation.
Something that's great about my job and how it impacts Change Healthcare is I really enjoy working one-on-one with operations. So I really get to dive deep into their processes and help them resolve any issues that they have. And to me, that really makes me feel useful and just makes me feel good knowing that I can bring some of my technical experience and operational knowledge to the team and help resolve and streamline manual processes in a better way. So I think overall, by doing that, it really helps the healthcare industry.
For me, inspiring better healthcare system means better patient care. To attain better patient care, we as a QE has to ensure the quality is efficiently delivered to the providers, payers, and third-party administrators. We have been attaining this quality by doing agile and automated process in our team. Thank you.
When I think of inspiring a better healthcare system, I think about my dad. My father emigrated to the United States from Haiti, one of the poorest countries in the Western Hemisphere, and after completing his residency, practice community medicine in East St. Louis, Illinois, one of the poorest cities in the Midwest. My father could have practiced medicine in the suburbs of St. Louis and made an absolute killing, but he made a conscious decision to serve a community that didn't have access to health care that the average American currently has access to and oftentimes doesn't take advantage of. I can't tell you how many times my father would spend a Saturday at a patient's house dropping off a prescription or completing a physical or making rounds on a Saturday or even on the phone talking to one of his patients at 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. My father took something that was transactional and made it very relational. Every round he made, every patient he saw, every phone call he took, every Saturday he spent in the office, every evening he spent charting or filing claims, he didn't see a dollar sign. He saw an opportunity to help someone. So when I think about inspiring a better healthcare system, I think about my dad because while payers like Noridian and Centene keep the lights on, what we do helps keep doctors like my dad in practice and his communities incrementally healthier. If you can't tell by this rippling physique, I was never really an athlete in high school, but I enjoyed playing team sports, in part because I could contribute to a greater goal. And that's what I think is the most important part of my job. Some days I may be doing something small, like regenerating a PDF or retriggering a report. Other days I may do something like create a report from scratch or write requirements to create a new report for an audit requirement, or protect the company by helping us keep an SLA for one of our clients. So inspiring or contributing to a better healthcare system to me simply means playing my role and stepping up and doing my job when asked.